So my plan is to make some kind of French toast. It's not a, well, it's toast. It's got brioche. I got some eggs, milk, maple syrup, and bacon. So it's a kind of crossover between whatever it is. But I'm sure it will be good. So I'll do 2 of them. Why not? Crack a couple of eggs. And a bit of milk. Splash. This is freestyling. Melker is freestyling in the tent. And so just added bacon to the pan. So now we need to fry that. Yeah, so bacon is done. Now we see if we can screw up these things as well. So I'm gonna fry these now, and there is the bacon. Breakfast coming up. Yeah, looks good. So I got my coffee, I got my kind of toasts, and everything looks and smells beautiful. So give it a try. That's not a bad breakfast, I promise you. This was something extra.